So I have this 2-year post, and right from the beginning, part of the plan was that I would spend 2 or 3 months abroad with an international company. And I think in John and Vicky's mind, it would probably be someone quite high profile, something like the Wooster Group. And I would probably be an assistant director on a project over there. And so we kind of talked about different companies, talked about different cities and countries to go to. Argentina was an option, Mexico was an option for a while. And then I wanted to delay the decision until Edinburgh Festival happened and the Fringe, and get to know some companies that were over, and I hooked up with a young New York based company called The Team, or Theatre of the Emerging American Moment. I kind of liked the show that they had on, which was called Particularly in the Heartland. And I also liked the energy that they had as people, and getting to know them a little bit better, I realised that they were quite passionate about what they were doing, and interested in a lot of the same things that I'm interested in terms of how you connect with an audience and how you address the subject matter that interests them, and it seems urgent and seems relevant to an audience today. I kind of raised this idea with them that I might come over and spend a couple of months with them as they were working on their new show. And they were in the process of remounting, particularly in the Heartland, for a venue called PS 122, which is a really exciting kind of new work venue in the East Village in Manhattan. And they were also in the process of just starting to work on a new piece. So going over to New York was a big part of my education in that direction, and trying to learn different ways of approaching a collaborative process. And the Team are a very interesting company in that way, because they do so much collective writing. They don't employ a separate writer, although they do work with dramaturgs, and their director writes as well. But each of the actors approaches the craft of writing quite seriously, not as something that the actors will just chuck something out and then they'll get another writer in to come in and craft it. They have to learn that craft themselves as well, so that they have a dramaturgical opinion about how the story works and how it doesn't work. And not only the writers and not only the actors and the director, but also like the sound designer, the set designer, they will also contribute towards the writing. And this for me was a real eye-opener. I was like, wow, this is great. As well as the kind of the collective writing, they also treat improvisation as a real discipline, rather than something which you do very quickly over a short period of time, and then stick with the first ideas that you come up with. But they realise that you have to kind of train at it, almost like an athlete, where you realise you're not going to get to the good stuff until you've attuned your body and your mind to working in that way. It's made me want to build relationships with collaborators, creative partners, performers, designers, all kind of creative people, and really building those relationships over a number of projects, rather than get a completely separate team together for every project. And I think partly why I want to do that is because I think it will inform the writing, and it'll make the writing richer and deeper, and it'll mean there's a kind of certain element of trust which is built up over time. The idea of having a core group of folk who come together, not work together all the time, but like who freelance as well, but then can come back together and really develop that craft and really treat it as a craft which has to be learned and worked at. That really excites me, and that's kind of what I'm interested in doing this now.